Great. Oh yeah. Like, it doesn't even, like, oh gosh. The clothes should fit you. You shouldn't be the one trying to fit the clothes. Hey diverse beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today is such a chilly day, like literally I'm freezing right now. I should probably wear something a lot warmer, but I'm actually going to be trying literally all of my fall clothes to figure out which ones I want to keep, which ones should I donate, which ones should I give to like other family members or even sell. So of course that means I have to literally take everything out from my closet from summer and spring, which really breaks my heart because I love summer. I honestly have a really bad habit of just keeping my clothes, like all of them, for like years and years and years, just because trends tend to come back, and if I already have it in my closet, that means I don't have to buy any more. And also I just have like a really hard time getting rid of things because I don't know, I just like, I know I shouldn't put any like sentimental emotions towards materialistic items, but sometimes it's, you know, it's a little bit hard, especially like if you worked so hard to buy a certain clothes and then you just get rid of it, like your hard-earned money is just gone. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and just like keep a positive mentality. Here are all my clothes right now that I have in my closet. Pretty much all of these are definitely like very summer and spring-esque. I do have a few pieces that I feel like could still work as transitional pieces, and I also have a lot of jeans that I recently purchased. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and we're also gonna change my shoes into like fall and winter shoes, just because these shoes probably would not work for the cold weather. First things first, I'm just gonna take out all of the clothes that I feel like are very summer-esque and just can't really be used as transitional pieces, so we'll do that. This one I will keep. I love the shirt. Keep. I think this one could be used as a transitional piece, so I'm gonna put that there. Keep. Love that shirt. I could use this as transitional piece, so keep that for fall. Keep. Okay, so I have a few more shirts. Keep. Love the shirt. Did not wear it at all this summer, but I love that shirt. This is so cute. I'll definitely keep it, and I think I could use this as a transitional piece, so I'll put that there. And this I can also use as a transitional piece, so I'll keep that there. Love the shirt. I wore this for my LA trip. Absolutely love it, so I'm keeping that. This one is just a t-shirt. I think I could use this for working out and stuff, so I'm gonna put that in my transitional piece. This one I did not use at all. I think I'm gonna probably donate this one because yeah, I didn't use that at all. Okay, so far I have this pile, which is basically all of the clothes that are gonna go back into my storage bins. And then these are clothes that I'm considering to either sell, donate, or give to other family members. And then here are all the clothes that were from my spring and summer collection, but I will be using as transitional pieces in the fall and winter. So yeah, those are so far everything from my closet. There are things still in my closet, but these are basically just all of my jeans and jackets that I will of course use in the fall. If you thought that was all of my summer clothes, you are totally wrong, because there's a lot more. So heavy in here. Oh, almost broke my mirror. Yeah, so I have a lot of clothes in here. Literally all of these clothes do not fit me right now. These are all clothes that I pretty much owned since like, I would say 2017, 2018, maybe 2019. They're like relatively newish, but unfortunately, you know, depression, anxiety, the pandemic, all of that just kind of made me gain some weight. And so of course these clothes don't fit me now. keep, donate, donate. All of these tops are honestly like clothes that I used to wear a lot in Korea, and they're just like not my style anymore, especially because they're like extremely like feminine. So donate. Oh, look at how tiny I was. Okay, this one is really hard because I really like this skirt. Dude, this is from Charlie Ruse. What? So this is literally over 10 years then. Probably I got this in like 2010 maybe. Oh my god, it is pretty good condition too. Next, keep, donate, donate, or sell, whichever. I finally went through all of my clothes that don't fit me, and I know I should get rid of a lot more just because they don't fit me, but it's really hard for me not to get rid of it. So yeah, the pile of keeping and not keeping are very different. Clothes that I'm keeping, clothes that I'm donating or giving away or selling. So yeah, oops. I'm finally done looking through all of my summer and spring clothes, so now I can go through my fall clothes. Oh, definitely keeping this. I like that. What is this? I just went through all of my containers that had my fall and winter clothes, and my bed is a freaking mess. Look at this. Look at all this clothes. Like, it's crazy. This is all of my fall and winter clothes, so I'm gonna have to go through all of these clothes to see if it fits me, if I'll keep it or not, donate it, sell it, whatever. So yeah, this is gonna be a process. Where's the zipper? Okay, she's a little tight. Uh-oh. She's a little tight. She's a little tight. Oh, she does fit. She's just a little tight. I am so tired of trying them all out. I think I'm just gonna like try like some of them, and then some of them just like, why is this train? Why is this train? Love this dress. It definitely fits me still, so I'm keeping it. It does not fit me right now, but I'm still keeping it. Love this. Keep. Guys, this is definitely hands down one of my favorite clothes from fall. Like, it is actually a romper, and I wore this before so many times on my Instagram. Love this. This is actually from Zara, and then this is from Shein, but I really like this outfit. I think I'm gonna wear this sometime this week.
Right now is a movie.
I just finished putting all of my new clothes that I bought recently into the closet, and now all of this clothes that I have out here are clothes from previous fall and winter seasons, and these are all the clothes that fit me. The ones that don't fit me but I still want to keep, I already put in a container. So yeah, that is pretty good. It's looking like a hot mess on my bed right now, but I think I did a pretty good job. So I know, you know, clothes are clothes basically. And of course, sometimes it does suck when you have these clothes and they don't fit you, or they just don't look how you want them to look. It can feel upsetting, and I totally get it. And honestly, back in 2018 and even in 2020 last year, please don't mind my dog. Honestly, I would have been upset, so upset after trying all these clothes and none of them fitting me or none of them looking good on me, because I was such in a bad state last year. It was just like not healthy. It was really hard, I think, especially for me when I was living in Korea, because Korea, the clothes there were so limited. Like, you know, the sizes there are so different. Like, you can be a small in the US and in Korea you would be like an extra large, you know. So it wasn't a very like healthy environment for different body positivity and embracing different body shapes and different body weights and heights. Honestly, it was kind of toxic. And I think after living in that surrounding for so long, at one point I felt like I had to be a size 2 or a size 4 to be happy in Korea. And of course that kind of, you know, did reflect in my clothing choices. And so I started to buy a lot of clothes that were either like extremely baggy or like, you know, super basic, because I just felt really unhappy and really just like not happy at all with shopping or buying clothes. I just felt like everything that I bought did not look good. And so, you know, now that I'm in the US, it has been so much better for me with like, you know, shopping and stuff. Of course, there are times where I do feel upset because, you know, this is like the biggest weight I've ever been in my life. And to, you know, to see that, you know, going from like, you know, this tiny little waist to what I am currently, it can be, you know, upsetting when I'm like in the dressing room or trying to fit into some clothes. But at the same time, I realize like, you know, clothes, I shouldn't be, you know, struggling getting into clothes that are not gonna fit me. Like, I honestly need to find clothes that I genuinely really like. The clothes should fit you. You shouldn't be the one trying to fit the clothes, if that makes sense. And so that's definitely something that I've been still trying to like train my brain to understand, is that like I should not be stressing over clothes that I don't fit, which is why, you know, I try my best to get rid of as much as I could that I didn't fit any longer, and hopefully I can, you know, donate it and give it to people who really need it in their lives. The clothes that don't fit me, I'm not going to put them in my closet because I don't want to look at them and always be reminded that, oh, you can't fit it. So that is why I pretty much tried to donate some of them, and the ones that I did keep, I put them in a container so that I don't see them and they're kind of like out of sight, out of mind. Now, one thing that I definitely have learned over the years is that our bodies change, especially woman's body. The moment that you turn 18, like even when you're a teenager or you're going into your early 20s or your late 20s or even your 30s or even motherhood, it all really changes your body. And even if you didn't gain weight, your bone structure, your hips, they all change over time. And I think that's something that a lot of us tend to really struggle with, including myself, especially in the past couple of years, because I've definitely have noticed that my hips are a lot more wider than they used to be, and it kind of makes me feel like almost like it's not my body, if that makes sense. Like, oh my god, like what happened? This wasn't my body. This is not my body. Did I just gain weight, you know? And then I realized like, oh no, you didn't gain weight. You're just growing. You're just developing. You're a woman now. You're not this like, you know, teenager anymore. You're not a kid. And so it's definitely a learning process, but I think that during the pandemic or during this past like year and a half of like either staying at home or having virtual learning or even working from home, or even you decide to quit your job and be part of the great resignation, you know, there's so many changes in these past years. And so when you see your own body changing, it hits you hard because you see all of these surroundings changing, and then you expect your body to kind of stay the same, and it doesn't. So it's definitely a struggle. And then of course when you decide to like put your clothes on from this previous season, you're just like, what the heck happened? Like, I thought it would be the same, you know. I will definitely do other videos like these if you enjoy it, so please give it a like and comment, that way I know if you do like it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And of course, go hit me up on my TikTok and Instagram. That's where I do a lot more like beauty and fashion content, so go check it out. And as always, take care of your health, diverse beauties, and I will see you next time. Bye.
We used to see all this on Netflix, cheesy action flicks. Now you and me are living in it, 'cause life right now is a movie.